Hello everyone, myself Pawan Kishore Jha, Assistant Professor in Department of Management Studies. Today's topic is supply chain management, which is an important part of the production and operation management. I will discuss the definitions, objectives, key component, importance, challenges, and the strategies of the supply chain management. At the end of the session, we will discuss few recent case studies on the supply chain management. So first of all, starting from definition point, supply chain management is a comprehensive and integrated approach to planning, implementing, and overseeing the flow of goods, services, information, and finances from the initial source of raw materials through various stages of production and distribution to the end customers. The objectives of the supply chain management are improving operational efficiency and reducing cost, enhancing customer satisfaction by ensuring products are available when and where they are needed, increasing competitiveness and market responsiveness, reducing lead times and improving time to market for new product, minimizing waste and environmental impact through the sustainable practices. The main key components of the supply chain management are planning, sourcing, production, logistic, inventory management, information management, risk management, and collaboration. So starting with the planning. Planning is this involve forecasting demand, setting inventory levels, and developing strategies to meet customer requirements. And the sourcing means identifying and selecting suppliers, negotiating contracts, and establishing relationship to ensure a reliable and cost-effective supply of materials and resources. Production meanings is managing manufacturing and assembly processes to optimize efficiency and quality. Logistic means is handling the transportations, warehousing, and distribution of products to ensure they reach their destination in a timely and cost-effective manner. Inventory management, that is balancing the need to have sufficient inventory to meet customer demand while minimizing carrying cost. And the information management means utilizing technology and data analysis to track and manage the various elements of the supply chain, facilitating real-time decision making. One is risk management, that is identifying and mitigating potential disruptions such as natural disaster, political instability, or supply chain bottlenecks. Now, next we will discuss some important point of the supply chain management, that is important factor. So, we have mainly three important factors of the supply chain management. So, important factor that we have is first one is globalization, customer expectations, and economic impact. That's it. So, starting with the globalization means the world we live in is increasingly interconnected. Globalization has opened up new market and opportunities, but it has also made supply chains more intricate than ever before. Companies source raw material and components from around the world, manufacture product in multiple locations, and serve customer in diverse global markets. For example, consider a smartphone. Its components from microchips to camera lenses are sourced from various countries. The phone may be assembled in one nation and it's eventually sold worldwide. Next point is customer expectation. That is, in today's digital age, consumer expect instant gratification. They desire products to be available on demand and delivered swiftly to their doorstep. High quality product and timely delivers are no longer optional. They are expected. This places immense pressure on the supply chains to be agile and responsive. For example, think about the e-commerce giant Amazon. Their success hinges on the meeting customer expectation for fast, reliable deliveries. To achieve this, they have invested heavily in their supply chain infrastructure, including robotics and optimized logistics. And the last one is economic impact. Now let's talk about the economic impact. Supply chain disruption can have far-reaching consequences. The COVID-19 pandemic was a stark reminder of how vulnerable supply chains can be. Factory closures, transportation restrictions, and material shortages disrupted global supply chains, leading to economic consequences. For example, during the pandemic, industries such as automotive, and electronics experienced production delays due to component shortages. This not only impacted their revenues but also led to job losses and financial strain on businesses and individuals. The rest part I will discuss in next videos.